I had looked at a number of programs. I wasn't willing to take time out of clinical practice to complete a master's. So there were a few. There's one here, there's one in London, there's one or two in the States. But Edinburgh has a really good reputation for their online distance learning programs. I would definitely recommend the program, and I actually have already. I found it really in-depth and broad at the same time, and it is both really well engaged, very well supported, very international, and it's also financially viable to keep working and to do the program at the same time. So I think the program has fed into my daily work in a number of ways. We do so much in pediatric emergency medicine, and there's a lot that we're expected to know about, and spending a bit of time going in depth into things that I hadn't thought to investigate on my own has been really, really helpful. So particularly things like going into radiology, things that I don't normally deal with, or I do quick reads in the middle of the night. This was a really good in-depth look at how we do it and actually do it properly. The part of the program that I enjoyed the most was probably the discussion boards we had online. It was part of the weekly assignments we had, where there was a question posed and we would just discuss it amongst our small groups. There was a lot that came into that from the different areas that everyone knew or were experts in, or their cities knew better. And there's some really entertaining discussions that came out of it as well, and I don't think you would have gotten that in one spot.